Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about enzymes. Almost all enzymes are proteins. There are some nucleic acids that behave like enzymes. They are called ribosomes. One can despite an enzyme by a line diagram. An enzyme like any protein has a primary structure, that is amino acid sequence of the protein. An enzyme like any protein has secondary and the tertiary structure. When you look at the tertiary structure, you will notice that the backbone of protein chain folds upon itself. The chain crisscrosses itself and hence many cis or pockets are made. One such pocket is active site. An active site of an enzyme is a creative or pocket into which the substrate fits those the enzyme through their active state. Catalyze reactions at a high rate. The enzyme catalysts differ from inorganic catalysts in many ways, but one major difference needs mention. Inorganic catalysts work efficiently at higher temperature and higher pressures. When enzymes get damaged at high temperatures, however, enzymes isolated from organisms who normally live under extremely very high temperature and are stable and retain their catalytic power even at high temperature, means up to 80 degrees centigrades to 90 degrees centigrades. Thermal stability is thus an important quality of such enzymes isolated from thermophilic organisms. Now let us discuss about chemical reactions. Children, how do we understand these enzymes? Let us first understand a chemical reaction. Chemical compound undergo two types of changes. A physical change simply refers to a change in a shape without breaking of bonds. This is physical process. Another physical process is a change into state of matter. When ice melts into water or when water becomes a vapor, these are also physical process. However, when bonds are broken and new bonds are formed during transformation, this will be called as a chemical reaction. For example, BaOH2 plus H2 plus SO4, H2SO4 gives rise to BaSO4 plus 2H2O is an organic chemical reaction. Similarly, hydrolysis of starch into glucose is an organic chemical reaction. Rate of physical or chemical process refers to the amount of product formed by unit time. It can be expressed rate. PT rate can be called velocity if the direction is specified. Rates of physical and chemical process are influenced by the temperature among the other factors. A general rule of thumb is that rate doubles or decreases by the half every 10 degrees centigrade change in either direction. Catalyzed reactions proceed at rates vastly higher than that of uncatalyzed ones. When enzyme catalyzed reactions are observed, the rate would be vastly higher than the same but uncatalyzed reactions, for example, CO2 plus H2O, which gives rise to carbonic anhydrates, H2CO3, carbon dioxide, water, and carbonic acid. In the absence of any enzyme, this reaction is very slow with about 200 molecules of H2CO3 being formed in an hour. However, by using the enzymes present within the cytoplasm called carbonic anhydrates, the reaction speeds dramatically with about 6 lakhs molecules being formed every second. The enzyme has accelerated the reaction rate by about 10 million times. The power of enzyme is incredible needed. There are thousands of types of enzymes, each catalyzing a unique chemical or metabolic reaction. A multi-step chemical reaction, when each of these steps is catalyzed by the same enzyme, complex or different enzyme, is called metabolic pathway. for example, is actually a metabolic pathway in which glucose becomes pyruvic acid through then different enzymes catalyzed metabolic reactions. When you study respiration in chapter 14, you will study this reaction. At this stage, you should know that this very metabolic pathway with one or two additional reactions gives rise to a variety of metabolic end products. In your skeletal muscle, under anaerobic conditions, lactic acid is formed. Under normal aerobic conditions, pyruvic acid is formed. In yeast during fermentation, the same pathway leads to the production of ethanol, alcohol. Hence, in different conditions, different products are possible.